In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack logo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your logo look clean and professional across your publication and emails. Start by opening Substack. Use your preferred browser or the app, and once you're in, head to your profile. You'll usually find it by clicking your avatar or profile picture in the top right corner. This takes you to your personal area, where you can manage how your publication appears to readers. Next, click Edit Profile. This is the place where you control the visual identity and information associated with your account and publication. Think of it as your home base for branding updates. Inside the profile editor, look for the Logo section. Click the icon below your profile to edit your logo. It might look like a small camera or image icon, and when you click it, Substack will open a file picker so you can choose a new image from your device. Now open the file you want as your logo. Navigate to the folder where your image is saved, select it, and make sure it's the one you want to represent your publication. A few quick tips make a big difference here. Choose a clear, high-resolution image, ideally in a square or near-square format so it crops nicely. PNG files often look great, especially if they have a transparent background. Avoid very small images or screenshots that may appear blurry when scaled. Simple designs, strong contrast, and minimal text read best at small sizes, like in email headers or on mobile. Click Open to confirm your choice. Substack will load the image and move you into the cropping view. This is where you fine-tune how the logo will appear across the platform. Crop your image so the essential part of your design sits centered and comfortably within the frame. Use the handles to zoom or reposition. Keep important details away from the edges so nothing gets cut off in different layouts. If your logo includes text, make sure it's large enough to remain legible and check that it stands out against both light and dark backgrounds. When you're happy with the preview, click Done. Substack will apply the crop and update your logo. You should see the new image reflected in your profile and publication areas. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to update. That's it. You opened Substack, went to your profile, edited your profile, clicked the icon to change the logo, selected your image, opened it, cropped it, and clicked Done. Your publication now has a fresh look.